Hi guys, we are Lola Amour! This is
Angelo,
I'm Pio,
Raymond,
Manu,
Jeff,
Nian, Zoe,
Jokes, Tim, David,
Rafi. We have a few members here who weren't with us when the idea first came to us. When we release an album, we wanted it big, we wanted it to feel special, not just for our fans but also for us. So ito, dati maliit lang yung dreams namin, maliit lang na venue eh, like hundreds of people lang sana yung capacity. But nung sinusulat namin yung album back in 2019 or 2020, nagka-pandemic so hindi natuloy yung plan. So ever since then, there were lineup changes, nawala si Renzo, nawala si Martin, and then nawala rin si Jokes, but today he will be rejoining us.
Be playful.
Now, I don't know about the message, but a lot of these songs are kind of new territory for us. So meron kaming hard funk song, yung umiinit, meron rin kaming ballad, a lot of new genres and a lot of new themes as well. So meron rin kaming bagong songs about mental health, very close to our hearts yung mga subjects na yun. So I think what we wanted to show our listeners is that, you know, we really just make the music that we want, you know, within reason. Pero yun, showcase our versatility and that, you know, we were never really a band that chased like a sound, a specific sound or a specific trend in music. So yun yung pinapakita namin. It's like parang playground, parang ganon. Nilaro lang namin yung music and saw what it could be, and then some songs made it. Some songs we were happy with, you know, it made it to the album. To all our fans, our next show will be on April 27 in Cebu sa Draft Punk. Yeah, sold out na yung tickets, so thank you so much to our fans in Cebu for all the, you know, support. Thank you for the support and see you guys there. Yung merch pala, if you guys want to buy our merch, we will be selling them at our gigs. Dun lang muna at this point. Maybe we'll look for like a e-commerce site to be able to sell it to those people who can't go to our gigs. But sa ngayon, dun lang muna sa mga shows namin. One, two, three. Itaas mga kamay at huwag pigilang sumabay at umiinit. Ilabas at ibigay, huwag na huwag umiwalay at umiinit. Hello mga Kabisyo, we are Lola Amour! Thank you for all the support. Hope to see you guys in our future gigs and take care. See you!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!
Wow! Enjoy na enjoy sa mga videos namin. Nako,
Marami pa niyan dito, Kabisyo.
Kaya para mas feel good ka,
I-like mo ng video na to.
At mag-subscribe na sa aming
YouTube channel! Don't forget to click the notification bell
Para lagi kang updated sa amin.